Okay, so I just want to know you. Who is Gabriel?
Yeah, it's Gabriel and welcome to WWADD. I went on a date with this lady and I tried to ask her the health-related questions that are supposed to be asked when you guys are on date. So just enjoy it, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do it to subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new video, and like this video if you really enjoy it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for returning and your support.
Okay.
And yeah, so what else do you want to know?
So, where do you study? What do you do?
No, I normally don't say that on the second date. Yeah. Maybe you have it as a secret. So let's give it a third round. Seriously.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I know you, that's why I was able to get close to you. So yeah, I normally study the kind of ladies I move close to. Yeah. I can't just move.
You know me how?
I know what you might like, you know. And then I had to do a lot of homeworks before.
Hey.
Yeah, because I can't just, I have to make sure that the lady I'm liking likes me back. That's it. So I did my researches very well before.
What kind of research? What kind of research?
You don't believe me?
I don't know.
So let me surprise you.
Okay.
Let me surprise you.
Surprise me. I really like surprises, so just surprise me. Shock me.
Well, I'll make it look a little bit weird. Where are you from?
I'm a Ghanaian, obviously. I'm from Asante Mampong.
What popular disease is actually known in Ghana?
Popular disease?
Yeah.
Malaria.
Malaria. Have you had malaria before?
Of course.
When you went to the hospital, what did they say?
I didn't tell them anything. So they said that
you had malaria. How did you know you had malaria, or how did you know you were sick?
Because I wasn't feeling well. I wasn't of myself. Like, as in, I
you
know.
Love going to the hospital?
No.
I'm a doctor.
I don't love. It's not like I don't love going to the hospital.
Because if you're going to the hospital, you should be sick before you go.
Obviously.
That's why you don't love going there.
Yeah,
because
and I don't really fall sick.
You don't fall sick. Most of the time you go there, you should be sick, right? Now, if you're going to...
Not necessarily sick, but you can go for checkups, like to see your system, what's going on, what's not right.
If you're going to date someone who works at the hospital, you be coming to the hospital often. So does that mean you should break up? Or you adjust?
No, it's not like I will adjust. If I'm going to date someone who works at the hospital, I'll be going to the hospital every time.
Almost every time.
Almost every time.
Because I don't expect you to be coming to hospital every day.
Okay, so almost every time. Maybe like I have to bring you lunch.
Cook me lunch, yeah.
I have to bring you lunch. Yeah. I have to come. And lunch is every day.
What do you hate about the hospital then?
Bon, I don't really hate something about the hospital, but seeing blood, seeing people like in...
So I shouldn't work with blood?
No.
I want to be a surgeon. How do you do that?
I'm not saying you shouldn't work with blood or with people, but I don't like seeing that. Even me, if a small cut, it's very difficult for me to be like...
You are studying in Morocco?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to the hospital before?
Yes, I have.
In Morocco?
Yeah.
How was it?
It was terrible. Because you see someone with cuts.
Why didn't you come
blood,
to where I work?
Because I don't stay here. I don't stay in a city where you are. Yeah.
Oh, all right. That was very sad. Because I will be there to protect you. Now that you know me, anytime you fall sick.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every time I fall sick, I have to take train and come to...
Yeah, you should come and see me. Yeah, I will heal you. Yeah.
So why don't you come, rather?
No, because my hospital is not there.
But I can explain what I'm going through. I can explain the symptoms or whatever. Then you come along with its remedy.
What do you think is the remedy? What were you having that you went to the hospital?
Okay, it's female thing.
Yeah. Talk to me about it. Because I'm a doctor, I hear a lot of this stuff.
Yes. So it was kind of, how do I say it?
Say it. You are with your boyfriend to be. So just say it.
No, listen.
Just say it. You are with your boyfriend to be. So yeah.
It was my menses. Yeah.
It never came.
It wasn't coming.
So what did you thought at first? Be honest.
Nothing, because I knew I didn't do anything. You know, at first, like, first thing that comes in mind, every girl or every female who like has a boyfriend or is dating and having like sexual intercourse or those kind of things, the first thing that comes in mind is you are pregnant.
You are pregnant.
Yeah. But me, that thing didn't come to mind. In the first place.
So were you afraid?
I wasn't afraid.
Because I know a lot of ladies who actually don't have their menses and then they always get frustrated.
Me, I was around October last year.
So it came back well. No, you know, it's not only pregnancy that actually makes you miss your menses.
So during this time, I knew I had, like, there was nothing, I didn't do anything. So I had to go to the pharmacy and I explained to them and they gave me a prescribed medicine for me. And the name was, we have one, they gave me two.
There's no need mentioning the name.
You know already?
I know.
Yes. So they gave me two and they told me to take it within 10 days.
8K.
And if it doesn't come, I should go and see a doctor. So within that 10, it came, I think, 3 days time. Like when I
so basically you had a problem of your menses not coming.
Not coming.
So you don't say a lot on camera.
Yes.
Because people shouldn't know what my girlfriend is going through. No, my girlfriend too. Because this is just the second date, you know.
Yeah. So.
All right. You know, I've asked a lot about you, but it seems you don't care to know me much.
No, I asked you a question. You told me you don't want to.
No. You should ask another question then.
Yeah. So I know you are Voltarian. Yeah. Which part of?
You don't like Voltarians?
No, I like them. My friend is.
Which part of Volta region do I come from?
Yeah.
Would you consider that before you actually accept my proposal? What?
No.
So there's no need to.
I want to know.
You want to know?
Yeah.
You want to know?
Yeah.
My place is a village. If I mention, I doubt you would know. So let me say Keta. Have you heard of Keta before?
Yes, we are all from village, right? There is no one who is from a city. We are all from the village. Then we move to the city.
Yeah. So you don't care.
I don't care.
I'll make sure I cut that part out. I really prepared, you know. When you are going on a date, I searched on Google what you're supposed to ask and stuff.
But I didn't do any research, too.
but then it seems it's not working for me.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
So I think I'm just going to flow.
Why?
I'm just going to flow.
Just ask the questions. I'm ready to answer all your questions.
All right.
Yes.
How many times do you think we should eat as a human being?
How many times? I think we should eat as a human being. Okay, me, I don't like food, so.
You know it's very bad for your health. Now that you are going to date a doctor, you should consider those stuff. I'm serious.
I think 3 meals
a day.
A day, it's okay. Like meal.
How many hours do you think we should sleep?
How many hours?
When I mean sleep, you understand what I mean?
Yeah, sleep.
Sleeping too.
No, sleep. No, sleep.
How many hours?
8, 9 hours. It's enough.
Would you believe it if I tell you that you dreamt today?
I dreamt today.
Yeah.
How will you know?
Because everybody dreams.
I know everyone dreams, but it's not all the dreams that we actually remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. This one I thought you never knew. You surprised me. Seriously.
Yeah. So.
All right. So what do you think about children?
Children.
Should we discuss children already? Giving birth. This is our second date.
It's not bad.
You know, one thing about giving birth is you have to consider giving birth before you enter your 30s. Do you know that?
Yeah, before you enter your
30s.
For real?
Yeah. Are you ready? Oh, seriously, are you ready?
At this time,
Yeah.
ha.
Yeah, that's the ideal moment to give birth, before 30s.
Okay, let's see. We have.
You are planning your stuff.
Yes. What I have like.
Are you ready at all before 30? You just be honest.
I am.
You are?
If it comes, why not?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But for me, I didn't really.
So why do you think you should not give birth in your 30s? It's not ideal. Why?
Because I feel like, you see, every woman who wants to be, I don't know, to be.
Well, I'm talking health-wise. Everything should be.
Health-wise. Okay.
Because we are speaking with a doctor as well.
Then I think we should give birth before 30.
Yeah, why?
Like
why? Yeah, why should?
I think that's why we have the strength and everything.
You know, like there are some congenital diseases. You see babies sometimes when you are giving birth to, they have this kind of diseases, and these are due to the fact that you actually give birth when you are too old. You get it? You have this genetic diseases. I don't know if you see malformations. Like you see a baby with bigger head, with no nose. Yeah, they are all due to the fact that the ladies are actually mature before they give birth. Yeah. So now that you know, I think you should replan. Yeah, you should replan.
We should consider.
Because to me, I don't want to give birth to babies who have malformations. You know?
But is it that everyone has to give birth?
No, but then I want to give birth. What about you? Because if you are going to marry, right, you have to consider that.
Yeah.
I don't like babies. It's not a movie. I'm being serious.
I love babies.
You don't want
I
to
love
give
kids.
birth.
I want. Who doesn't want to give birth?
There are a lot of people. You just said people don't actually want to give birth.
What I don't want.
You are not asking me about what I want. I'm just asking you what you want.
Okay, I want to give birth.
You know, giving birth to, there are lots of things that you pass on to your children, you know. Can you mention some of them?
You pass on to your children?
Yeah.
As
a mother.
As a father.
Because making a boy depends on the father exclusively.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now there are some other things as well.
For example, the genotypes, you have to consider all these things before even getting to...
that one is marriage issue. That we will talk about in some few times.
There's some traits that we
pass on. Yeah, so I want you to give me
intelligence, the IQ.
You know, it's come from the mother most of the time.
That's from the mother. Yeah. So if you have an intelligent wife,
yeah, thank God I have an intelligent lady like you. Yeah.
Obviously, your children will be good. Not like 100% good. And what again?
There's something called phenotype. How the baby will look. Yeah.
So it depends on the woman.
It depends on everybody. It can be.
I think it comes from both sides.
Yeah. Intelligence too comes from both sides, but most of the time it's from
the woman.
Yeah.
Okay.
And some other stuff, like, you know, obvious stuff. I know you know. What is that?
I don't know.
You know?
I don't know.
No, I just don't want to say it.
Okay, me, I look like my mom.
Yeah, I know.
I look like my mom.
But the phenotype, like how you look, apart from how you look, like, yeah. Should I just say it?
Say it.
Right now, you think we should prioritize love over checking your genotype? You know what I mean by genotype? Like going to check if you have sickle cells. Yeah, because there are a lot of other things, not only about AS or it can be HIV, AIDS, it can be STI. All these things will not make your relationship compatible. So these are some of the things you have to check. So I'm just asking, do you think we should be in love before we do it, or we should go and do it before considering being in love? Oh, love at first sight. Now you understand.
We have love at first sight. Yeah.
So you believe in that?
I believe in that.
Yeah, all right. Move on.
Yeah. So I think.
Yeah, be honest, so we can check, because I can help you check it. I'm a doctor. You forgotten.
I have it. But
you think we should fall in love first? Let's have fun.
Let's have fun.
And then after that, When I mean fun, you know what I mean?
Not really, but when you make your intentions to the girl or to each other, it's not that time. It's not that first time that you have to do things. You get
What
it?
things?
Like have fun.
All right, I think genotypes, they are very important to consider, you know, because you wouldn't want to touch somebody and realize that you can't be with the person, because it becomes a broken heart issue. Me, I don't like breaking people's heart. I want to mend the heart. That's why I became a doctor. I'm yet to become a doctor though, because I want to be working on people's hearts. I don't want to break it. You get it? So I feel like genotype is something you have to consider when it comes to love.
Okay, as you're saying,
so it's up to you to also.
People's hearts.
It's up to you to decide right now if you think we should go and check our genotype or we should continue. So that I'll leave you to think about it, because I feel like you don't want to say that now.
Okay, you were saying that's why you are a doctor. So this comes to my question.
Yeah, ask your last question. Finally, you got something to ask me. There you go.
Why did you choose to be a doctor?
Are you asking me?
I'm asking you.
You just want to know about it.
I want to know why, because
I just want to save life. No, it's a secret. Well, let me tell you about it. Surprise, this is the second date so far, so I think you've known a lot about me now. Well, it's because of my mother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't say you say I'm sorry.
No.
My mother died of heart attack. Don't say I'm sorry, don't say it. You make me feel sorry. Seriously, don't say it. Because I'll cry.
Okay.
So you don't say I'm sorry. Don't say it in your head. All right, is that your last question? I think it's enough.
Yeah.
You've answered question about having babies. You said Ghana is malaria is what's popular. Yeah. And you know how malaria looks like, and because you've been to the hospital before. You say you don't love hospital. I don't know what you are doing with a doctor. Right, actually don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So you have to consider. Now that you know I'm a doctor. Oh. Because the first time I didn't tell you, this is the second time. And then I've never asked if you're a student or something, but then I know you're a student. You said it yourself. And your last question you asked me was why I became a doctor. Yeah, aside the fact that my mother died of heart attack, I want to mend hearts. I don't want to break people their hearts. So I think genotype is really something you have to consider before talking about love, because you don't want to have fun while someone is having STI, HIV. I hope you've gotten it. So think about all this stuff, and then we can meet on the third date, you know, so we can take it from there. Because I feel like you're a very nice lady for me, and then if I lose you, I've lost everything. Yeah. All right. Then, nice. Let's go and grab something to eat if you're hungry. Me, I'm hungry myself. I've talked a lot, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will not run away because I said I'm a doctor.
I'm not running away. Okay.
All right. Should I carry you or you can? I can't even do it. So I'm just saying.
You can carry me. I'm not trying to. If I fall, so carry me.
If you fall, you are falling in love. Yeah.
Carry me.
No, if you are falling, you are falling.
Carry me, then I'm not falling in love. Carry me.
At least what I can do is hold you once you fall. All right.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
All right.